Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person here, I warmly welcome you. I say akwaba to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share the video. If you're an old person or an old subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Please like and share the video. Today I'm sharing with you how I prepare this amazing Ghana fufu ankasa with fufu flour. Okay, if you don't have the original banchi and plantain or cocoyam, you can prepare this with your fufu flour and it will come out amazing and very delicious. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy. So with this recipe we are going to use some fufu flour here. Okay, this is the plantain one. We have different varieties or versions. We have the cocoyam. This the tropic way that I'm using. That's the plantain flour that I'm using, and you're going to also need some measuring cup and some water aside, and I'm using some microwave safe bowl because we are going to prepare our food in the microwave, not on stove. I'm going to use some spatulas here. You can either use one of these, whether the spoon one or the wooden one. Okay, so with here I'm going to measure some flour into our measuring cup here. I'm going to use about 2.5 cups of flour here because we have a lot of people here in my house and measuring up to the brim of this cup is 2 cups already. So I'll just pour this one inside my bowl here and also measure another half cup of flour, and that will be all. Okay, and I'm going to add a lot of water to it. Okay, and we just stir and just this is the easiest way that you can do. You can also prepare it on stove. You can just mix your flour with your water. Okay, so with this you're going to mix it with about additional 2.5 cups of water here, so that you can get the consistency that you need here. Okay, so you're going to mix everything smoothly. When you are mixing, you can add more water to it, depending on the softness of your fufu that you want. Okay, this is very easy. Preparing this in the microwave is very easy. So you need some microwave bowl here. That will be easy and also safe for you to prepare, because you need your food to be in the microwave for some time. Okay, so you just need to mix it well into a liquid form. You want it a liquid form, a little bit watery like this. Okay, so you just prepare it and you cover it. You mix it and you make sure all the lumps are gone, okay, nicely, and you cover it nicely, and you just take it inside your microwave, and you microwave it for about this one I set my time to about 8 minutes. Okay, but I think it was done around 6 minutes, so I think 6 minutes will do. With this I set my time on 8 minutes. Yeah, but I think 6 or 7 minutes will do for the first phase of your fufu. Okay, so after 6 minutes that I took it out, so you just have to take it out, and this thing was hot. I was let me or I was pretending like, oh, I can hold this thing, but it was really hot. So you have to make sure you have some napkin with you that you can hold. So you have to turn it and use your spatula, your wooden spatula, to turn it around, and you add additional water to it. You can add about 1 cup or 2 cups of water to it, and you cover it depending on the how you want your fufu to be. Okay, you cover it and you put it back inside the microwave for about 5 minutes or so. That will do. So after 5 minutes I just pick it out. You can see, so you just pick it out again, and you just knead it with your spatula nicely here. No too sweat about it. Okay, so you just knead it until you start seeing that it is forming your fufu. Your fufu will be coming in nicely. I love this method. Okay, I love it. It's easier and simpler. Okay, you can prepare this also on fire on your stove. Just you be stirring it. You cannot leave it on your stove. When you are preparing it on your stove, you have to be stirring it. Just look at us. Look at this. Look at that. This is amazing and easier. So with this, you can either decide to put it back inside the oven, maybe with additional water for about 2 minutes. But with this, mine was already done. Okay, mine was already done, because in the first 7 minutes in the oven, and it went into it again for about 5 minutes with the water, so it allow it to cook thoroughly. So when you um, mold it like this, or you fold it, or you use your wooden spatula to nail it like this, it is already done. You can see this is beautiful. If you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video. Okay, so after your fufu is done, you can decide to take them out. Okay, but you have to use water in your bowl, so that you can just mold it to the shape that you like. Okay, you have to have an extra water side by your side. Okay, you just sprinkle some cold water on it. Okay, and you just mold it to the shape that you like. Okay, so you can see you can have this delicious fufu without sweating. Okay, whether you have the original cassava or the plantain, you don't have it, you don't have the original cassava or plantain, you can easily also enjoy your fufu. And I love this one. I love this one. Okay, you can use the cocoyam one. We have different, as I said, we have the cocoyam flour, we have the plantain flour, we have also the yam flour. You can use either one that you want and prepare your fufu. So this is a Sunday afternoon that I'm enjoying this with my soup. I also I will link the I will just leave the link to this soup, the preparation of this soup below. Okay, so check the description below, and you will find how I prepared this amazing soup. Okay, my chicken soup with this fufu, and it was amazing. Thank you for watching, and bye. Please like and subscribe, okay, and share the video, and also send us your comments below. And I thank you all for all your support and all your love and all your kind words. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.